Hi children, welcome back to computer class. So we have started our chapter 4, that is communication, and in the last class we have learned about what is communication. Communication is the process of sharing your ideas and thoughts to others. So, and we have discussed about the communication methods that we used before electricity and after electricity. So today we are going to look some other communication methods that we use. So today we use a computer and the internet to communicate. You all know how we communicate by using computer or phone with an internet connection. So it takes a few seconds to send a message. By using this computer and internet, we can send messages in a few seconds. So we can look for any information on the internet. With the help of the computer or phone connected to internet, we can read news, find new information, speak to people in different parts of the world. So with the help of a computer or a phone which is connected to internet, we can read news and find new information, and also we can talk to any other person anywhere in the world. So these are the uses of a computer or phone with an internet connection. Next, communication tools we use. So we have learned that we communicate using internet and telephone, or internet, mobile phones and computer. So the different two tools that we use to communicate are email and social media. The two tools are email and social media. First is email. Electronic mail. Email means electronic mail. E stands for electronic. So email means it is electronic mail. Then the letter sent via the internet. Email is the letter that is sent via the internet. The letter that we are sending by use of an internet is called email. To send and receive email, both the sender and the receiver should have an email address or email ID. So if you want to send an email to any other person, the sender means those who are sending, and the receiver means those who are receiving. So the sender and receiver must have an email ID or an email address. So only those who have an email ID or email address can receive or send an email. Gmail, Yahoo Mail and Hotmail are the different email providers. So these are the different email providers, that is Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. Here Gmail or Google Mail. G stands for Google. So Gmail or Google Mail is the most widely used email service today. Even though Yahoo Mail and Hotmail exist, most commonly used mail is Gmail or Google Mail. So these are the things about email. Email means electronic mail. It is a letter that sent via the internet, and both the sender and receiver should have the email address or email ID. Most commonly the different email providers are Gmail, Yahoo Mail and Hotmail. Most commonly used email is Gmail. Next is the social media. Sharing messages, pictures and videos with a group of people is what is happening in the social media. So email means we are sending the letters to a person or a particular ID, and social media means it consists of a group of people. Many people are there in social media. So to this group of people we can share messages, or we can share images and videos, etc. Okay, then Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and YouTube are a few social media website or applications. All these names are very familiar to you. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and YouTube. These are the commonly used social medias. Next, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat are used to share photos and videos with friends. So we can Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram are commonly used to share images and videos with your friends. Twitter is mainly used to read and share news. So Twitter is mainly used to read and share news. YouTube is used specially to create and watch videos. So YouTube, we see our online classes through YouTube. So YouTube is used specially to create and watch videos. So all these things are the social media Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter, etc. And Twitter is used to watch. YouTube is used to watch videos. Twitter is used to share and know news. Then Facebook, Instagram, and all are used to send pictures and videos. But all these are very interesting. But we must use it properly and responsibly. Next, Yahoo, the first email company, was born in 1994. So, which is the first email company? It is the Yahoo. And when is Yahoo born is 1994. This you have to study. Then one needs to be at least 13 years old to use the social media. Only if one have 13 years and above can use the social media. You have to complete your textbook exercises, and let us watch a video which shows the recap of the chapter.
How did we communicate? Hello friends. Today we are going to learn about different ways of communication before and after electricity was invented. Did you know that before electricity, people used birds to carry messages from one place to another? One more way of sending message was through a special person called messenger. These ways of communication took a very long time to deliver a message. The ways of communication changed after electricity was invented. We started using telephone, radio, television, and fax. The main features of these type of communication were: messages were sent quickly. Message sent had to be short. Message could reach only to one person. Sending long message was expensive. Interestingly, after the invention of computers, communication became easier. Now we can share a lot of information with many people. Through the internet, computers can be used to send letters called emails in any part of the world. We can also talk to people at far-off places using computers. Just like computers, we also use smartphones to communicate. Smartphone is a mix of telephone and a computer. By using smartphones, we can make calls and send messages. By connecting a smartphone to the internet, we can even make video calls from any part of the world. Do remember these facts.